Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this SKIL PWR CORE 20 brad nailer kit. This is going to be an unboxing video, so let me show you what this kit brings and how the brad nailer looks. So when you first open the box, you have your manual, you have your actual brad nailer. Nice and heavy duty, has a good weight to it. This is an 18 gauge nail gun. If you press this button here, this lowers the cartridge, and then you put your nails right here. It has an LED light right here. This is where you put your battery. Here's the trigger right here. Here's another LED light on top. Turn it around. This right here, you set your gauge of how deep or how shallow do you want your nails to go through. Here's a clip right here, so you could clear out whatever nail that's stuck in there. In the other box, you have your charging cable and your power block. It's right here. And then in this block, you have your tools that it comes with. It has an Allen wrench. It has 2 Allen wrenches, and then a screw to install this belt clip on the nailer. And in this box here, it also brings some 18 gauge nails. So the way to install this, you're going to push this all the way down and make sure to put it inside the groove. And you're going to push this all the way in. Okay, so now you're in place. So, and then to take it out, you press a button again and slide it out. And with this box, you have your battery right here. It shows your battery levels. So this is not even charged yet, so you need to charge it. This is where you plug in your USB-C plug to put the battery on. You just slide it like this. So you see the light. Here's the LED light. So if I would have had nails in here, you would press this down, and then you hold it down, and once it has the air compressed, and then it will shoot the nail through. So I'll show you again. I don't have any nails in here, so you hold it down, you press the trigger, and then it will shoot the nail through. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great brad nailer. I like how the battery life lasts a long time on it, and this is a brushless 20 volt 18 gauge brad nailer. It feels very good in the hand. It has a nice weight to it. It holds a lot of nails in here. I like it how it has the LED lights on top, and also how you're able to clear out any jams from here. And I also like how you're able to use the USB-C charging to charge it. So it's very portable and it's very convenient to use.